Welcome friends to SPN Consultancy. I'm back again with another useful video. So our today's topic will be on the Gochar. In other words, Gochar means transit. The planet's position in currently where the planets are posited. So this will be our new topic today. It's very important. It's very important topic. So do watch the video till the end. Before that, anybody new to my channel, do like it, share it, and subscribe it. And don't forget to press the icon bell so that any video uploaded by me will be notified to you. So subscribe it. So let's begin. Let me share my screen with all of you. Okay. So this is the chart. So this is the chart. In this, I will be explaining you regarding the Gochar. So here, let me take it little bit upper side so it will be easier for all of you. Just for a minute. Yeah. So this is the Gochar of today's chart. As all of you can see, the timing, today's timing is 5th of August 2021, and the time is, this is the chart of 1854, that means 6:54 p.m. This is the chart of 6:54 p.m. And now the ascendant rising is Capricorn. Capricorn is the ascendant rising, and the lord of this Capricorn is Saturn, and Saturn is sitting in the first house. So Saturn is there in the first house right now, and it is in Capricorn. So this is the ascendant. Capricorn is the ascendant. And in the universe, right now, Saturn is posited in the Capricorn Rasi. Next is Jupiter. Right now, the position of Jupiter in the universe is in the Aquarius Rasi. As you can see, it is Aquarius Rasi, and Jupiter is retrograde, and Saturn is also retrograde. Both of them are retrograde. So Jupiter is in Aquarius Rasi in the current situation, current position. Next will be Rahu. As all of you know that right now Rahu is in the Taurus Rasi. And the next planet will be Moon. Here it is the Moon, and Moon right now it is going in the Gemini Rasi. Then next is Mercury and then Saturn. Mercury and Saturn, both of them are in the Cancer Rasi. The next planet is Mars and Venus. Both of them are in the Leo Rasi. Then Virgo Rasi is empty. Libra is empty. Then our Ketu Maharaj. Ketu Maharaj is in the Scorpio Rasi. As all of you can see, as Rahu and Ketu, both of them will be opposite to each other. Rahu and Ketu are always opposite to each other. So Ketu is in Scorpio Rasi. Then Sagittarius Rasi is empty. No planet is in over here. Then again we come back to the Capricorn Rasi where Saturn is posited over here. As you all of you can see, this is the Gochar of current situation. Right now, where are the planets? We can see through the Gochar or the transits. It's very important for the predictions. Gochar is must. If anybody is doing any prediction, he has to see the Gochar, whether the Gochar is fulfilling the event or not. So guys, this is very important. You should learn the Gochar, where are the planets, and you should by heart that tomorrow where it will be going, yesterday where it was. So this is very handy and very useful during the prediction times. So I hope all of you understood it, how to see the Gochar and what is the Gochar and what are the uses of Gochar. So guys, if any of you have any comments or any questions regarding this, you can put up your questions in the comment box. I will be happy to reply it back to you. And many more videos are in my description box. You can go through it. The link is provided over there. You can check it out. And if anybody wants any sort of consultation regarding career, then they can call me on my number or mail me on my mail ID, which is also provided in the description box. So I hope, friends, this video will be of great use to all of you. If you like it, then don't forget to subscribe it and share this with your friends in your WhatsApp groups so that they can also take the benefit of it. So thank you, friends. We will be back again very soon with another useful topic and another different topic. So keep watching, keep sharing, and do not forget to subscribe it. So thank you, guys. Thanks a lot.